morning! It is time to cook breakfast. Last night I started preheating my waffle maker and it's time to make a whole meal in bed. So I'm just gonna start with my little bits of our potato. These tater tots can go right in here. You can cook a whole delicious healthy meal inside of your waffle maker. It's a very versatile equipment, just right in there. After that, we're also gonna take our steak. Now, to cook a steak, it's very important to season your steak. You wanna season it well, so I'm just gonna season a little bit of salt over the top, as well as some freshly cracked pepper right there, beautiful. And then take your steak right from here, straight onto one of those quadrants. Great, and again, season that with even more salt, and of course, also our freshly cracked pepper. Then, whoo, that is hot. Over here, you're going to take your little bits of broccoli. Now, this broccoli you also want to cook. You know, it's important to eat some nutrients. A lot of people now are starting to eat much bigger breakfasts. This is a great way to eat a very packed breakfast. And of course, who doesn't like toast in the morning? So I think this might be a little too big, but if you just kind of break down this toast, you could take it, place it right there, and you have those 4 quadrants right there. Lots of delicious healthiness. So just a little more Pam there. It's a great hack. Obviously, it's not for every day, but any of those days where you have a lot going on. Let's just go close. See, I'm going to close this right over here. We are just going to now let that cook and become a delicious, very flavor-packed breakfast. It smells really incredible. Let's take a peek. Oh, I mean, look at that. Beautiful hash browns. The steak definitely could use a little more cooking. The broccoli is definitely not quite there yet. That is looking incredible. I mean, we have a good piece of toast. Let's keep on cooking and hopefully enjoy. Took a little nap and everything's now ready. I mean, come on. You might think this is ridiculous, which you're probably right, but a perfectly piece of toast right over there, followed by some crunchy, perfectly cooked, look at that, some nice tater tots, transfer right to there. Don't hate on me, don't knock it till you try it. Steak, I'm sorry, but perfectly cooked right over here. And of course we have our broccoli. Just transfer the broccoli right onto the plate, just like that, a full meal. Look at that. Who needs room service from a hotel when you can have room service in your own bedroom of your home? Bone apple teeth. All right, I'm gonna start off with trying a not a hash brown, a little tater tot. Here we go, here we go. Of good. It is downright good. Then, of course, broccoli should be nice and cooked as well. Get that on there, some florets. Oh God, I missed all of that right here. Now, toast is toast. Ooh, crunchy. Steak. Got the steak, just like that. Now, obviously it's not gonna be like rare or anything, but you know what, it's cooked. So that's what matters. A full meal. Some would say this is too much for breakfast, but you know what? Here in America, we eat big breakfasts, and you know, who can hate on us? Anyone who wants. Oh God. Here we go. Time to enjoy. I'm sorry. You can hate on me all you want. Downright delicious.